Hello guys, welcome to Gustav's programming tutorials where we learn about everything programming. In today's lesson, we will be looking at the break and continue statements in Java. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and notification icon to get notified for more programming videos from this channel. In using the decision and looping statements, Java provides the break and continue statements to alter the flow of control. The break statement. The break statement, which we discussed in a previous video, there is a link in the description below, was used to terminate a switch statement. In this video, we will look at how to use it in looping statements. When we execute the break statement in a while, for, do while, or a switch statement, it causes an immediate exit from that statement or block. The program then goes on to execute the first statement after the decision or looping statement. Let's take an example and look at how the break statement is used. So, suppose we want to display the set of numbers from 1 and end at 7. Using the for loop alone, we can do that. So, inside the parentheses of the for loop, we type int a number equals 1 semicolon, a number less than 8 semicolon, and then plus plus a number. In the body of the for loop, we type our system.out.print, and then inside the output statement, a number, and then a white space. Now let's run this. And as simple as that, we get the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Now, what if we decide to give the user the opportunity to type in the number we want to test a number variable with? If the user types in a number less than or greater than 8, then this for loop code won't give us the desired output. We can take care of this with the break statement. So first off, let's add our import statement on line 1. So import java.util.scanner semicolon, and then declare our variable and scanner object. Int test number semicolon. On the next line, scanner input equals new scanner system.in semicolon. Now let's prompt our user for input. So system.out.print, and then our string, enter a number greater than 8. Let's retrieve our input. So test number equals input.nextInt. In our for loop, we change our number 8 to test number, and before the output statement, we add an if statement block. In the parentheses of the if, we type a number equals 8, and in the body of the if statement, we type our break keyword. Now let's run this program. We first get our prompt message, and we type a number greater than 8, say 10, and then press enter. And our output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exactly as the previous one. Now When the if statement nested at line 13 to 15 in the for loop statement determines that a number is 8, the break statement at line 14 executes. This terminates the for loop statement, and since there is no more statement outside the for loop statement, the program ends and our output is displayed. The continue statement. The continue statement, when executed in a while, for, or do while loop, skips the remaining statement in the loop body and proceeds with the next iteration of the loop. In while and do while statements, the program evaluates the loop continuation test immediately after the continue statement executes. In a for statement, the increment expression executes. Then the program evaluates the loop continuation test. So, using this same example, we want to display the numbers from 1 to the user type number inclusive, but skip the value 8. So, we will just have to add an equal operator to our less than operator to make it a less than or equal to operator, and then change the break statement to continue. As simple as that. And then let's run the program. We get our prompt and we type in 10, and we get our output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. As you can see, 8 was skipped. When the if statement at line 13 to 15 determines that a number is 8, the continue statement at line 14 executes. When the continue statement executes, program control continues with the increment of the control variable a number in the for statement. Let's look at using the continue and break statement in a while statement. So let's copy our prompt and retrieval statement and then comment out these codes. Now on line 19, let's type our while statement. In the parentheses of our while, type true, and in the body of the loop, we paste what we copied earlier. Let's change our prompt statement to enter a number. Now we want to display a 4, 5, or 6 if that was the user's input. So we type if. Inside the parentheses, we have test number less than 4 or test number greater than 6. Inside the body of the if statement, we type the continue statement. Now, outside the if statement, our output statement, test number plus the string is a 4 or a 5 or a 6. Now, let's run the program. And after our prompt message, we type 3 and press enter. And we see we have our prompt message displayed again. Now let's type 5 and press enter. We get the output 5 is a 4 or a 5 or a 6. And we get the prompt message again. Now, this is happening because our test in the while loop is always true. To prevent this, let's first stop the program. Now, to quit the program if the user types a 4, 5, or a 6, we add a break statement on line 26 after our output statement. And now let's rerun the program. We get our prompt message and we type 2 and press enter. and we get our prompt again. We type 6 and we get the output. 6 is a 4 or a 5 or a 6. And as we can see, the program quits. What a nice programming concept, don't you think so? Well, guys, this is how to use the break and continue statements in Java. It's been a great adventure, and I hope to see you guys again. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and keep practicing.